Firmac of Scarborough, England are proud to introduce their modular duct forming system. The MDF is part of the Firmac range and is able to make ducts with integral flange, but with manual intervention within the three-part system. Here we see the coil banks, 3/3 design, and this is the coil selection with the 6-hand operated clutches, 1 per coil. The levelling and the stiffening are applied from one side of the machine near the PLC control. All machine data and job information is inputted using touch screen technology. The notching units prepare for the seam corner and the folded corners. Please note that the folded corner notch is only a slot, but stops short of the edge of the sheet. This ensures a nice neat wraparound on the finished folded corner when flanged. The actual cutting of the blank is carried out by the Pittsburgh unit. The notched coil stops in line with this unit, which then moves across the sheet, slitting and preparing the male and female part of the seam in one pass. After the cut, the blank moves forward onto a table. The remaining sheet with a 90-degree male part reverses to allow the Pittsburgh unit to return to its home position. The second part is the flange roll former. This machine has 20mm profile rolls down one side and 30mm profile rolls on the other side. The final stations stitch the flange, giving it added strength. The duct blank is simply run through the machine twice in order to have flange on each side of the cut blank. Now onto the third part of the system, which is the box folder and seam closer. The duct blank is laid onto a roller table behind the folding beam. Then the duct sizes are entered into the touch screen PLC. The blank is then positioned to a datum and the start button is pressed. After the 3 folded corners are completed, the female Pitts pocket is put into its final position for seaming. The folder clamps the duct and the operator guides the 90-degree male edge into the Pitts pocket. When satisfied this is correct, a single touch of a button starts the closing process. When complete, a gate is opened and the finished duct is taken out of the machine. The only remaining job now is to fit the corner pieces, which are tapped into place with the aid of a hammer. We have only shown individual ducts being made, whereas batches are produced faster. With the MDF, an average-sized duct would take approximately 3 minutes to complete and saves you the additional expense of buying slide-on flange.